In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add system folders to start menu in Windows 11. So let's get started. You can easily add system folders next to the power button at the bottom of the start menu. First, right click on the start button and from the options, click settings. Now click personalization from the left hand panel. Click start on the right side. Next, click Folders option. On the screen, you can turn on the system folders you want to see next to the power button in the Start menu. You can choose from Settings, File Explorer, Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Videos, Network, or your personal folder. So that is how you can add system folders to Start menu in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.